everybody, Justine from artbehaviour.com, and these are top tips to calm your clients down in as little as 5 minutes with our cool art hacks. So this one today is about building miniature toolkits for your clients, specifically because obviously if you think about it, most of the clients that you work with are on the go all the time. They're really busy, and this is actually what we've done for a few of our clients. Is we built a miniature art kit, and the art kit was a little a little A5 booklet that they can carry in their purse. I had to ask my work colleague there because I've obviously been painting so much, and then a little set of miniature coloring in pencil, so you can put that together. You can even get a little watercolor set that you can put together, because watercolors, you can have water in a brush pen. There's so many things that you can do, and I highly recommend even looking at theworks.co.uk, because they've got awesome little art toolkits you can put together. If not that, you can even go to the range and you can get little lovely art craft kits and things that are really affordable, that you can add value to give your clients. The whole point of doing a creative activity is just to get them out of that fast-paced scheduling, I must do, I have to do, I should do, all those kinds of words that come up when our clients are feeling a bit overwhelmed. And it's great to either add in your session, it's great to give them a little gift to feel valued, and it's obviously great to build a relationship with your clients. So the colors also to have around when they are doing the art projects with you is your blue and oranges. And your blue and oranges will help your client obviously unwind, relax, and the blue will also help them speak up more. So if you're finding that your clients are maybe holding back a bit because they don't want to offload too much, or maybe they're offloading too much, it just brings in that balance of how to get the clear content of how they're really feeling without the gobbly goobly jabble going on round and round in circles. So enjoy it.